The type 3 personality for the Enneagram Spectrum is entitled the achiever, or maybe even the effective person. They tend to be success-driven. They're oriented to success, pragmatic. They're adaptable, excelling, driven, and even image conscious. Threes are very self-assured. They're attractive, they're charming, ambitious, competent, and even energetic. They can also be status conscious and even highly driven for advancement. They are diplomatic and poised, but can also be overly concerned with their images and what others think of them. They typically have problems with being a workaholic and being competitive. At their best, however, they are self-accepting, authentic, and everything they seem to be, they seem to do well. They tend to be role models who inspire others. For the type 3 personality type, or the achiever, you're going to find that they have some positive core tendencies, and they also have distorted ones. So they're attracted to and value efficiency, productivity, and industriousness. They're very competent. However, they can over-identify with an idealized self-image of being successful and productive, so that their self-worth starts to depend on what they do instead of who they are. They tend to be naturally organized. However, they become at times overly efficient, even machine-like and programmed. They have the ability to get things done, very task-oriented. However, they may substitute projects for people. They're a great salesperson. You exude confidence and competence, and people are willing to buy whatever you sell simply because of your personality type. However, you become a marketing personality. You feel that your worth is sellability. It depends on how well you can sell yourself and how marketable you are. You make a good team person, and as a team leader, you're organized, you run things well, you are able to motivate others, and you also are able to carry out your responsibilities. However, on the other side, you can lose your personal identity by conforming to a group image or the image that a group wants you to have. Energizer, and you have the energy to accomplish anything, and especially you're able to motivate others. However, you always have to be busy and you're always on the go. Sometimes you might be afraid to slow down or to relax. You believe that progress is the product that needs to be taken care of. You are friendly, gregarious, and sociable. However, your relationships can be superficial because you become too gregarious and too sociable. You may have an intuitive sense for what people expect. You instinctively know what it's that you need to present to be successful, the image you need to have. However, at times, people may find that you are a sellout, that you've lost who you are for the sake of the mask that you're putting on. You're adaptable. You negotiate and compromise in order to get things done. However, you may betray yourself at times. You're betraying that inner self for the sake of a role or a compromise. You're optimistic, enthusiastic, and self-confident. However, you may be deceiving yourself and others because you're too busy putting on a successful mask. You have the capacity for hard work. You have tremendous enthusiasm for projects and for goals. However, you can become a bit of a workaholic, and you really are going to perform and achieve things in order to get approval.